Home Remedies presents. What happens if we apply turmeric on face overnight? Skin repairs itself at night, and it is important to feed your skin with good products to wake up to healthy glowing skin. Many people avoid applying turmeric on the skin as it can stain the skin, which is why I have come up with this simple skin gel that doesn't stain the skin but also can be used every day to keep your skin healthy. Benefits of Turmeric Night Skin Gel. Turmeric. Turmeric has proved to be one of nature's boons. It is not just a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties, but it is also beneficial for the skin in many ways. It helps in skin brightening, improving skin complexion, and rejuvenating dull-looking skin. Aloe vera. Aloe contains healthy and soothing properties to calm irritated skin and treat any skin problems naturally. It helps to moisturize dry, dehydrated skin, unclogs pores, fight and prevent acne. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties that helps to reduce any skin inflammation. The combination of aloe vera and turmeric is a magic potion for your skin, and here's the recipe of it. You will need organic turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon, pure organic aloe vera gel, 4 tablespoons, tea tree oil, 4+ drops. This is optional. Procedure. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and save them in an airtight container and store it in a cool place or refrigerate it to prolong the shelf life of the gel. How to use. Take a small amount and massage it on your face until well absorbed into the skin. At night. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.